Hey guys, Dan Fitzpatrick here, stockmarketmentor.com, and I want to look at Tesla today. Here's why. I don't want to buy this thing here. I don't want to buy it at 910. What I want to do is buy it at 950, maybe 951. Look, yesterday, stock went up to 944, and then that's kind of where it ended. Now, this stock, when it moves, it can swing big. So I'll even say like at 940, I want to be paying really close attention to this. So members, I'm going to be setting two alerts here. One at 940, one at 951. And this is what, for those of you that aren't members, what we do is we splice the videos so that each ticker has a segment in the video, and then if a price target which I set is hit, that particular part of the video goes out so members can see, bam, this is what I think. Whether you want to take advantage of it or not, it's your deal, not mine. It's your trading your money, my idea. And so I'll be setting one for 940, and that'll be kind of a look at me, look what's happening level, and then 950 will be buy 'em. Because the way this stock is trading with the low, right here, a low and then a higher low and then another higher low, we get these higher highs as well. This is what I'm looking for right there. I don't want to buy the stock here in anticipation of that, like, oh my gosh, yeah, but if I buy it now, then I'll get another 4% before it even triggers above 950. And if I knew for sure that the stock was going to do that, absolutely that's what I would do. But we don't know that the stock's going to do that. Last time the stock was up this high, it fell back. It may do so again. And so what I'm talking about here is giving up a little bit of reward in order to get away from a lot of risk. So you're sacrificing a little potential reward, but in return, you're taking much less risk. You've got kind of more of a sure thing, if there is such a thing, but you got kind of a sure thing in the market where when the stock breaks out, bam, you're there. You're not sitting there anticipating that it's going to. So anyway, that's all I got to say about that. I'll leave you with this laugh. Twitter, only 5% are bots. Okay.